How to fix app appearance not showing on Snapchat. First, you need to get off from your Snapchat selection. When you take off on that problem, you need to go on your Play Store. Then on the settings bar selection, you need to type for Snapchat, and you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat. That means that you need to check the update session. If you don't have it, you need to just simply tap right here. But as you can see, I have open section. But if you don't have it, the latest version, you're going to be available to tap on update right here. Then you'll need to wait to take up and get that verifying by Play Protect and get the latest version of Snapchat. The next thing what you need to do to simply check over that side, you need to get out from here. You need to go on your settings selections on your phone, then go applications. On your upper side, on the settings bottom, you simply tap on Snapchat. Just go for it without wasting any time. Go for Snapchat, then scroll down and go for the third selection, which is storage. And right here, the most sightly section, it is by going to clearing the full site or the full cake on that selection. Go clear cake, then clear the data if you want to check over the full citement with a default system.